Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon, and every Wednesday evening between 600 and 6:30 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Hazardous weather information.
I swear, everyone. Let me tell you a quick story before I finish this EAS message or video. No joke. I had my camera recording for about, I would say, until like 6:15, because they normally do it like at 6:10 p.m. and now it was 6:15, and they never conducted it. Literally, I went back home. Excuse me, I went back to home on the device, and it decided it went off. So that's why the video came out a little late. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day or night.